Hello everyone, welcome to Chem Analysis. This is my third video on stereochemistry. In this video, I will mainly discuss about how to interconvert between OH- formula and Fischer projection formula. And from now onwards, I am going to make videos in mixed language, that is using both Hindi and English language whenever necessary. If you feel any difficulty, then please let me know in the comment section. So let's start this discussion. यहाँ पे आज हम जो डिस्कस करेंगे वो है कैसे हम OH- फार्मूला को फिशर प्रोजेक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए OH- कॉन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड. एंड हियर वी कैन सी दैट दिस बॉन्ड दैट इज व्हिच इज सॉलिड बॉन्ड एंड अबव द प्लेन it is OH bond, and the bond which is below the plane, this bond is known as called as dash bond. And for this reason this structure is called OH- formula. Now if we see this structure from this side, then we can see that this OH group and this hydrogen atom in front of you. That means you will see that this OH group is on the left side and hydrogen atom is on the right side of you. We can draw it like OH is on the left side and hydrogen is on the right side, and this is the central carbon. And when you see this molecule from this side, these two groups will be far apart from you, that is both these two groups will be on rear side, but methyl group will be on the vertical axis above and CO2 group will be on the below axis. Now if you are given a Fischer projection, this is a Fischer projection, if the four groups are like this, then in the Fischer projection the horizontal bonds are above the plane, that is this will be C, this is D, and the vertical bonds are generally below the plane, so this will be A and this will be B. Now if we draw this structure in Fischer projection, then it will be, we have to just fix this molecule within a paper. That means the hydrogen atom will be on the right side, OH group will be on the left side, methyl group will be on the top above, and CO2 H group will be bottom and below on the vertical axis. So we can see that we can convert a OH- formula to its Fischer conversion. Now if we rotate this molecule 180 degree along this कार्बन मिथाइल बॉन्ड, that is अगर मैं इस मॉलिक्यूल को दिस कार्बन मिथाइल बॉन्ड के अनुसार 180 डिग्री रोटेट करता हूँ, तो जो स्ट्रक्चर मिलेगा हमें वो होगा, दिस मिथाइल ग्रुप विल बी रिमेन एज इट इज, this CO2 H group will rotate 180 degree and will come here. This OH group which is above the plane, after 180 degree rotation it will go this side and go below the plane, and the hydrogen atom which is below the plane will come in this side and will be above the plane due to 180 degree rotation. Now if we see this molecule along this OH- group, that is this side, then the hydrogen atom will be on the right side and OH group will be on the left side, and both two groups will be on the front side like the previous one. And if we draw this, it will look like, that is hydrogen will go on the right side, OH group will be on the left side, the methyl group will be above the vertical axis, and this CO2H group will be below the vertical axis, and both two group will be on the rear side, so they will be below the plane. Now if we convert this structure in the Fischer formula, then it will be that is both the structure will be same, since 180 degree rotation within a molecule is allowed. यहाँ पे एक हम इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रिक के बारे में कहना चाहता हूँ. If this type of compounds are given and in plane groups are oriented in a V shape, that is यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं अगर हमें मिथाइल एंड CO2H ग्रुप के ओरिएंटेशन के बारे में सोचे, this is oriented like this is methyl, this is CO2H, and it is like V shaped. Then the group which is above the plane in the Fischer projection will go on the left side, that is we can see here. And if the in plane groups, that is methyl and CO2H, these are in plane group, these are oriented on the opposite of V shaped. Since this is not V shaped, it is opposite of V shaped. Here is B and here is a methyl and CO2H. In this structure, if we convert from OH dash to Fischer projection, then the group which is above the plane will go on the right side. That is, we can see here, that is hydrogen is above the plane, it is going right side. That is, if the in plane group are oriented in the V shape, then the group which is above the plane will go on the left side, and if the in plane group are oriented in opposite of V shape like this, then the group which is above the plane will go on the right side in the Fischer projection. ये ट्रिक आप किसी भी OH dash फॉर्मूला को फिशर प्रोजेक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हो. लेट्स सी अनदर एग्जांपल. नाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस स्ट्रक्चर फ्रॉम OH dash to Fischer projection, first we have to see the molecule from the OH dash group, that is, since here OH dash group is oriented like this, we have to see from top of this molecule, and if you see from top side, we will see that the hydrogen atom will be on the right side and OH group will be on the left side, and here will be CHO, that is this group. And for the second chiral center, we have to see from this side, since the OH dash bond is oriented in this way. So if we see from this side, then we will see that the hydrogen atom will be on the left side and OH group will be on the right side, and the CH2 group will be on the bottom of the vertical line. So if we fixed it within a Fischer projection formula, then it will look like this one. Now if we apply the trick, then we can see CHO group will be vertical, and here the in plane groups are opposite of V shape. So the group which is above the plane will go in the Fischer projection on the right side, as I said previously. And for the second chiral center, here we can see that the in plane groups are in V shape, so the group which is above the plane will go on the left side. Therefore we can see that using both the technique we are getting the same identical compound. Let's see another important example. Let's first apply the trick. Next we will identify the structure or orientation of the group by viewing from the OH dash bond. Now if we apply the trick, then for the second carbon center, we can see that the in plane groups are in V shaped orientation, so the group which is above the plane will go on the left side. In the second chiral center, the in plane groups are opposite of V shape, so the group or atom which is above the plane will go on the right side. For the third chiral center, the groups are V shaped oriented, so above plane hydrogen atom will go on the left side. And for the fifth chiral center, that is fifth carbon atom, since the groups are opposite of V shaped, so the group which is above the plane will go on the right side. That is, this will be the structure using the trick. Now if we see the molecule from the OH dash bond, then the structure will look like, we are viewing this chiral center from this side, so hydrogen atom will be on the left side, OH group on the right side. In this case we have to see the OH dash bond from top of the molecule, and we can see that hydrogen atom is on the right side and OH group on the left side. Similarly, in this case we have to view in this way, and hydrogen atom will be on the left side, OH group on the right side. For this center we have to view from the top side, and the OH group will be on the right side, hydrogen will be on the left side. So we can see that we are getting the same identical structure. Okay, now let's see how we can convert a Fisher projection formula to a OH dash formula. Now in this structure we have to convert this Fisher projection to a OH dash formula. Now this Fisher projection formula we can write like this, that is, on the vertical axis group will be on the below side, and the group which is on the horizontal axis will be above the plane. Now we can convert this molecule with two orientation. If we draw this methyl and CO2H group like this, that is, the in-plane group is in V-shaped orientation, then the group which is on the left side will be above the plane, and which is on the right side will be below the plane. It will be bromine. Okay, since if we go from this OH dash to Fisher, then we will end up with this structure. Now similarly, if we orient this CO2H and methyl group in this orientation, that is, we can think it like opposite of V-shaped, then the group which is on the right side will be on the above the plane, and the group which is on the left side will be below the plane. Okay, since from going to this OH dash to Fisher projection we will end up with this same structure. Since if we view this compound from this orientation, then the bromine atom will be on the right side and hydrogen atom will be on the left side, and CO2H group will be on the vertical above and methyl group will be on the vertical below. So this structure will result. Is it okay? So these are the few example and concept for interconverting Fisher projection and OH dash formula, and in the next lecture I will discuss about how to interconvert between Sawhorst, Newman and Fisher projection formula. So thank you for watching. If you are new in this channel, then you can subscribe to my channel Chem Analysis to get such more interesting videos in future. Thank you.